morning everyone and welcome to Rhythm English. I am Pradosh Sharma with you and you're watching News Flash. Delhi NCR experienced dense fog on Wednesday, reducing visibility to zero in several areas. IMD issued a yellow alert forecasting 7 degrees Celsius minimum temperature and the possible light rain later in the day. Over 13.8 million devotees participated in the first Amrit Snan at the Mahakumbh in Prayagraj on Makar Sankranti. The holy dip began at 5:30 am with the akhadas leading to the ritual at Triveni Sangam. On IMD's 150th Foundation Day, PM Modi launched Mission Mausam to enhance India's climate readiness, highlighting significant advancements in the IMD infrastructure over the past decade. India's parliamentary committee led by BJP MP Nishikant Dubey plans to summon Meta after Zuckerberg alleged incumbent governments including NDA lost power post-COVID-19. Dubey demanded an apology for spreading wrong information. A Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam's employee was caught stealing gold from Srivari Parakamani. Employed for 2 years, he reportedly stole ornaments for over a year. RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat declared Ram Mandir Consecration Day as Pratishtha Dwadashi, marking Bharat's true independence after centuries of foreign invasions. In Spain, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar praised India's ability to mediate globally, engaging with polarized nations like Russia, Ukraine, and Israel, Iran, while upholding its unique diplomatic stance. A mine blast in Rajouri's Bhavani sector in Jammu and Kashmir injured 6 Indian soldiers during patrol. All are stable after being treated at a military hospital. An Indian serving in the Russian army died and another was injured in Ukraine. Ministry of External Affairs is assisting the families and reiterating its call for Indian recruits discharged from Russian forces. Russia's Foreign Minister Lavrov expressed openness to peace talks with Trump, emphasizing broader European security guarantees and addressing NATO's role in Ukraine's conflict. The SEC sued Elon Musk for delaying disclosure of his 5% Twitter stake in 2022, violating federal laws by missing the March 24 deadline. India and the UK resumed free trade agreement negotiations aiming to enhance bilateral ties. Key focus areas include green technology exchanges and economic growth initiatives. India refiners ceased dealings with the US sanctioned Russian entities but will allow pre-sanctioned cargoes to dock until March 12 under the wind down provisions. Jaishankar during the Spain visit emphasized India's growing presence in the Mediterranean, discussing global issues with Spanish FM Alvarez. A war room at the Rail Bhavan monitors live train movement across 9 stations near Prayagraj, ensuring seamless service for crores of Kumbh devotees. So that's all for the headlines of the day. For more updates, download the app and keep watching Rhythm.